Hi friends, today under Big Data Apps and Analytics, the ICP given was like to calculate the linear regression model of any given data set. And they have also asked us to find the observer findings for the mean square error and y-intercept, slope and the relationship of a data. So they asked us to find our findings. Here has been asked, they have asked to calculate MSC, y-intercept and slope. So without any delay, we'll dive into the code. First, we are going to import all the libraries required for this and model creation. Okay, so here we have used NumPy, Pandas, and etc. first and stats model API for finding the OLS functions and all. We have taken a Boston house CSU prices as our data, and you can see here we have 3 columns: rooms, distance, and values. We have taken rooms as our normal value and value as our rooms as independent and values are dependent. When we use a describe method on our data taken, we can find the mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum values of the given data as follows. Here you can see. Now we are going to declare the dependent and independent variables. Here we are taking values as our valued column as a dependent variable and rooms as our independent variable. When we apply linear regression, we are going to plot a graph between the data which we find between rooms and values as x and y as in a scatter plot. Now to create to fit the data in the model, we have used OLS, which is as ordinary least squares to find the coefficient and slope of the values of the data. As you can see here, we have got the constant coefficient as minus 34.67 and rooms coefficient as 9.101. So from this, we can say that as a C, which is a y intercept as minus 34.67 and m slope as 9.10. So from the value of a equation with the slope and y intercept, we know that y is equal to mx plus c. When we implement the obtained values here, and you can see we have obtained this is the green line which we have plotted the graph here. And for further regression, we have used the plot regress exoc values. Here the plotting different plots to evaluate our data here. Now we are going to find the residuals of the data. These residuals are known as the prediction weights of our the deviation between the predicted value and the expected value. When we plotted a QQ plot, which is quantile plot for the residuals, we can see here the slope is like a 45 line red line, and we can find the residuals as a blue scattered dots, which is a scattered plot. As there is no much deviation from the required slope of the line, we can say that we can identify that the residuals are normally distributed. So to find our prediction of the values, to find the residual value, we have used 0.48, which is r squared value, and our y-intercept as minus 3.67, and they have also asked to find the MSC, which is mean square error, which is 43.60. So these are the findings, and residuals are normally distributed, as you can see here. So that's all for now. Let's meet in the next ICP. Thank you.